Everyone thinks the best-selling antenna analyzers are automatically worth your money. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, AURSINC NanoVNAH. The AURSINC NanoVNAH is a fantastic entry-level vector network analyzer priced at around $46.54. The upgraded version caught my eye because it offers features that many higher-priced options do, making it a bestseller with a 4.6-star rating from over 1,500 reviews. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a frequency range that spans from 9 kHz to 1.5 GHz, you can measure S parameters, standing wave ratio, SWR, and more. It also includes a microSD card port for saving your measurement data easily. The display is a clear 2.8-inch screen, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Plus, it's portable, weighing just about 0.2 pounds, so you can easily take it anywhere. Now, some people complained about the battery life, saying it only lasts about 2 hours on a full charge. Here's the thing though, if you're doing extended testing, you can just plug it into a USB power source and keep going. So for most casual users, this battery issue might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or just starting with antenna testing. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features that cater to professional engineers with more complex needs. Honestly, at this price, it's a great value for money. Now, if the battery life of the NanoVNAH made you hesitate, the next product is a fantastic alternative that offers similar features with enhanced usability. Product number 2, Workman SWR Meter. Next up is the Workman SWR Meter, which you can grab for about $29.50. This is a solid choice for anyone interested in CB radios and measuring SWR efficiently. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,000 reviews, it's clearly resonating with users. If you're looking for something straightforward and budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It measures SWR from 1.1 to 1.3 with a simple setup, plus comes with a 3-foot jumper cable, so you're ready to roll right out of the box. The input connectors are heavy-duty, ensuring durability even when you're on the go. It's compact, measuring just 3.38 x 2.25 x 3 inches, making it easy to store or transport. However, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to read in bright sunlight. But I'll be real with you, for most indoor use or shaded outdoor settings, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're a CB radio enthusiast who wants an easy-to-use device without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for digital readings and advanced features. For the price, it delivers great value for the basics. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you looking for digital precision. Product number 3, McBazel SW102. The McBazel Surecom SW102 is a digital VHF/UHF meter priced at $57.99. With a 4.7-star rating from around 2,100 reviews, it's a favorite among amateur radio operators. If you're serious about your antenna performance, this is worth a serious look. It covers the VHF and UHF bands effectively, making it great for amateur radio setups. The maximum power handling is 120 W, which is sufficient for most users. Also, it features low insertion loss, meaning minimal signal degradation. That being said, some customers pointed out that it isn't compatible with CB radios, which could be a turnoff for some users. This is perfect for you if you're focused on VHF/UHF operations and need precise measurements. Skip this one if you only use CB radios. It's a well-priced option for those who want something reliable without overspending. Now, if the compatibility issue with the SW102 concerns you, the next product on this list offers a broader range of features that might be just what you need. Product number 4, AURSINC NanoVNAH4. Coming in at $84.45, the AURSINC NanoVNAH4 is another excellent vector network analyzer. With a 4.6-star rating from around 1,200 reviews, it's designed for those looking for a bit more. If you need a more advanced tool for detailed antenna analysis, this is worth a serious look. It offers a frequency range from 9kHz to 1.5 GHz and includes TDR functionality for measuring coaxial cable lengths. It even has a microSD card slot for data storage, which is a huge plus for anyone who likes to keep track of their measurements. However, some users reported that the setup can be a bit complex for beginners. But honestly, if you're serious about your hobby or profession, the learning curve is worth it for the features you get. This is perfect for you if you're an amateur radio enthusiast or electrical engineer who wants detailed measurements. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick and easy gadget. For the investment, it definitely packs a punch in terms of functionality. Now, if you find the complexity of the NanoVNA H4 daunting, the last product might just be the perfect balance of ease and capability. Product number 5, SESII NanoVNA H4. Finally, we have the SESII upgraded NanoVNA H4 priced at $84.46. With a 4.6-star rating from around 900 reviews, it's another great option for those who want accurate antenna analysis. If you're looking for a dependable tool that's user-friendly, this is worth a serious look. It also features a microSD card port to save your measurements and supports various software for data analysis. This means you can easily keep track of your work, which is huge for any serious hobbyist. Some users mentioned that the battery life could be better, similar to its counterpart. But here's the thing, for casual use, it's sufficient, and you can always power it via USB for longer sessions. This is perfect for you if you want a mix of functionality and ease of use. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features that cater to professional engineers. For the price point, it offers excellent value for those who want reliable performance without the hassle. So to recap, we have the AURSINC NanoVNA-H, the Workman SWR meter, the McBasel SW102, the AURSINC NanoVNA H4, and the SESII NanoVNA H4. Each one brings something different to the table, whether it's affordability, digital precision, or advanced features. Just remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs.